Hey guys, For the Dark Lord here to tell you about how to customize an Ask page on Tumblr. I picked this together myself. I did, of course, pull some references, but again, with everything, usually you've got to go 20 different places and figure out exactly how to do what you want on your own. This time I figured I'd make it a little bit easier on people. I'm going to cover a couple things: making a custom Ask page, editing it to the way you want it to be, and even how to track IPs through your Ask page. I'm going to reference that one to another post that I had made on the forum, and follow that one if you want to learn how. Now you need to come this far. I'm not teaching you a tutorial on how to use and customize Tumblr itself. So get to this part here, okay? You'll see the customize, and then replies, and then ask. That's the important one. We do need this enabled, okay? Click let people ask questions. Delete this. If you don't, it'll come up as the default Ask page as a link, and you will not be able to edit it, so that's kind of good. Anonymous questions, that's up to you. Again, like I said, there will be a method in IP tracking. After editing that, you're going to go to Save. Then you're going to go up to Customize. Now this will bring you to the customization doc for Tumblr. What you're going to do is you're going to come on down this side here. Okay, this has all your custom whatever, you know. What you're going to do is come down here to the bottom. Okay, there's going to be pages. You're going to add a page. Okay, I'm going to do this in real time here. Okay, URL it. I'm going to go ASKKK, ask box, I guess, and then show a link. Okay, so showing that will bring that over here if it's enabled. If it is not enabled, you're going to have to go into something else, like your title section, description section, and just make a custom link for it. The other part to this, okay, this is just text edit. Now if you want the HTML, you need to come here. This is edit HTML source. Click on that bad boy. Open it up. Okay, if you would like to HTML customize the entire page, you need to go from standard layout to custom layout. Now myself, I'm not terribly good at HTML. I learn day to day. So essentially here, I'm going to copy and paste the code that I'm going to post in the description and on the forum. It's very simple. Basically what you're seeing in an ask box is a frame within a frame, as I've heard it explained. Okay, so that means that's a page being posted onto another page. So when you do have ask enabled, you can therefore source it and then bring it wherever you want. Now this is a long one. This one includes my stat counter. Okay, but this is the important one, the iframe. Okay. I've obviously messed with it, and you can too. You can adjust the height and the width. Okay. At this point, the first thing you want to do is edit this. This was the example of the code. I pulled it from someone. Okay. You can go HTTP, or you can go ahead and just shorthand it. So we are minecraftgrief.tumblr.com. Okay, and that's it. Now from here, you can go ahead and add things such as, rules. You can edit colors, you can edit sizes. You do have to be somewhat knowledgeable with HTML, otherwise it doesn't come out because your CSS overpowers it. Okay. Someone who's a little more knowledgeable, I'm sure, can edit this far better than I can. But essentially, even I've been able to manage. I can change my background, okay, do an image source and do a header. Just above this, if you create a head, you can go ahead and put in whatever you want. That's kind of cool. You can even make a faux page with that. You can just put, similar to a phishing page, you know what I mean? I use stat counter. I will provide a link for my tutorial that I posted previously for statcounter.com. It's pretty cool, easy to use, and it works across sites like Blogger, even old MySpace, and especially Tumblr. Now this code is specific to my Ask page. Unfortunately, you cannot have one for the Ask page and one for the main page. Click Update or Create. So I click Update, then click Create after you've seen this. Now you can see this is where that image would have gone if I actually used one. Here is the Ask box in its full function and glory. And here is what I was talking about with text. You can go ahead and add text. You could add a background border. Whatever you want to do, okay? Once you're done messing around with it, or you want to go back and forth, that's fine. Double check these, double check this, hit create page. Okay, it will then save page and it will automatically exit. Okay, the important thing after that is to click save. Now you're ready to go, and you need to view your page to make sure it's working. And sure enough, there it is. If you have any questions, please try to post in the thread. I'll get back to you if I can. If you have questions on anything else, please refer to the stat counter post that I had made and ask questions about that there. Good luck with this, guys, and let me know how it turns out for you.